Workshop!
Merry Christmas!
Yeah!
Oh my goodness, I had a Santa. It's gone.
It's gone.
You'll see it later in the video.
Yep.
So anyway, this is what we're making this week. It's a Christmas gift exchange with a bunch of other channels.
These are all the channels up on screen.
Boom, 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 boom. How awesome. We got the Dad Cave.
Yeah.
So this is what we made. This gorgeous cutting board with this curved design in it, and then curved design this way. If you'd like to see how that's done, continue to watch the video.
So, here we go!
So what we have over here is our scrap wood pile, and Dom has selected some boards for the scrap wood.
Yep, we're going dark light, dark light, dark light. Should be pretty cool. Yeah!
Yeah, we're gonna make a few projects out of these. One is a surprise.
Yeah. Alright, so I got a plastic brush and a roller. So, here we go.
Dom turned these all on their side so that he's just gonna glue the top of them.
Should be good.
Dom, what's the one thing I tell you a woodworker can never have enough of?
Clamps.
Clamps.
Yeah. So that's all clamped up. How long are we gonna let it stay clamped up for, Dad?
At least an hour.
At least an hour?
Probably more.
Probably a lot more.
There it is. It's all jagged on this side, so we're gonna put it through the planer. Woohoo! Just bring it down a little bit at a time. There it is. That thing's looking nice. Yeah. Replace it with a chop saw. Let's cut it down. This fell apart. This will have to be re-glued. What are you doing, Dom?
I am taping up these boards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so after you tape up the boards, we put super glue on this board right here.
Yep.
And then we'll super glue the tape to the tape.
This look like? Just about like that?
Yep. All right, so I need something about that height so that it doesn't fall apart when I'm cutting. So these scrap wood pieces are the same height, and we're just gonna put them in there to kind of give them some balance. And then we will cut them on the bandsaw. We're gonna cut the curve and it'll translate and we'll drop the piece down and it'll have a curve. I've never done it with such a thick blade. I don't know if I can do it with this thick blade. I might have to change the blade. We'll try it. I'm gonna actually drop it down. I've never done it with such a thick blade. I'm a little worried. So I just gotta stay in this line.
this right, it just matches up.
Oh, that's beautiful. So this cut doesn't need to be perfectly centered because we're just being artistic with it. So, in fact, maybe we'll offset it even more. Put it right over there.
Hey Dad, why'd you put another tape on?
I just don't want to go past the edge of the board. Look at that.
There we go.
Beautiful.
So here is the play button. If we pop it just on right over there, boom, that is the dry fit of the play button. Looking good.
Hey Dom, what time is it?
It's middle spirit time! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, here's something heavy to put on it.
Oh, to make sure it doesn't fall.
Nice. Instead of a clamp.
Instead of a clamp? Alright. Yeah! Alright, so we got beeswax oil and we got 4-aught steel wool. We're going ahead and toss it on here. Yeah! Looking good.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Friday workshop! And that is our finished product.
Isn't this awesome?
Turned out amazing.
Oh my goodness, how cool is that? Look at this curve in there, and look at the different colors of the, oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. And the backside,
That turned out so cool.
the play button, yeah. So we hope you like that, Dad Cave. Merry Christmas.
Yep.
And we're throwing some extra things in the box just for fun.
Should be
as
fun,
a surprise.
yeah. So if you want to see what's in there, other than this, you should check out his video.
Yeah, for sure. Guess what we got here?
We got our package.
Our package!
Yeah. All right, what do we got in here? Ooh, a fancy bag. It's like some chips, some more chips.
Oh!
Ooh, some chocolate.
Chocolate!
Yeah.
Yum.
A lot more. Oh, this looks good.
Candy!
Yeah.
Fantastic. We got a card.
Got a card. Check it out. All right, it says Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
To Dom and Matt, wishing you both a Merry Christmas. I hope you like the play button. Enjoy some Canadian snacks from Canadian woodworker friend. Matt Cornell Woodworks.
Cardinal Woodworks.
Cardinal Woodworks.
Are these Canadian specific snacks?
I think so, yeah.
Ketchup flavored chips.
Ruffles,
All dressed as Asian ears? I have no idea.
Oh, this looks good. Look at that. It looks like it's like a caramely inside.
Caramilk.
You know, it says Smarties, but these don't look like the Smarties that we eat here.
Yeah, I know. A Mr. Big, the original Mr. Big.
And a coffee crisp.
Yeah. Thank you, Canada.
Thank you.
Oh, Canada. This one says NHL on it. It's a hockey one.
Alright, let's find
All
out.
right.
So that said play button. So let's find out what it looks like.
Yeah, it's a play button exchange. Do you want to do the openings? I got that part open.
Here we go. Oh, this is looking fancy. Oh man, look at that.
Oh, goodness.
Oh,
Flip it around the other side.
that is beautiful.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Nice, soft. Yeah.
Wow, that is gorgeous. I don't know if you know what this is, Dom, but this is plywood.
Yeah.
So he cut a bunch of plywood, got it at 45 degrees, and used the
Brought it
edges of the plywood.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
How many cuts do you think that was? I'm just looking.
A lot.
One.
Okay, are we guessing here? I think it's 3/4 inch plywood.
Yeah.
And there's a lot
Yeah.
of plies. It could be
3/4.
like a Baltic birch.
Could be, yeah.
Don't know. We're guessing.
Yep.
Check out his video.
To find out what it is.
What is this red frame made of? Oh my
That is
goodness.
beautiful.
Oh,
It might be stained actually now I'm looking
No,
at it.
no.
No.
this is cut out. I love it. I love it. The play. I love the
For passing
1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.
Thank
This
you.
is incredible. I can't even say more. This is
What a
great.
beautiful.
Yeah. It'll go right next to Steve.
Where is Steve?
Yeah. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. If you like videos like these,
Check out this one.
like and subscribe.
Yeah. Merry Christmas from Friday Workshop.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Subscribe.
Yeah.